I'm no scientist. I really just, I'm intuitive by nature, and then I'm a healthy guy approaching 60, right? That's my big lab experiment. That's my big science. I apply all these principles. Body needs movement. A stagnant body of water turns into a cesspool. So the purpose of exercise is to move the lymphatic fluids, and the pump for the lymphatic fluids is the transverse abdominis, the pelvic floor, and the diaphragm. So the body needs to move every single day. It doesn't need to go to the gym and do high intensity exercise. The body simply needs to move, and walking is the best exercise. But the body needs movement, right? And so these are non-negotiables. The next part is the nutrition, because people are so mixed up about nutrition. They lost that connection. And nutrition's pretty simple. Farmer direct, highest quality food that you can find. The quality of life that you lead is directly related to the quality of nutrition that you feed. And I'm on the internet all the time, and people want to dispute whether you need organic, or I don't care if you call it organic or high quality or grass-fed or farmer direct. You need whole foods into the body. That's what makes your eyeballs. That's what makes your spinal cord. That's what replicates your skin, etc. And so we need high quality food. Like, let's cut. We're not even talking about like a processed box food. We're just talking about, like, get some farmer direct, high quality stuff and put it in your body. Keep nutrition simple. But if it doesn't come from a farm or the earth, keep that boxed stuff for entertainment purposes only. Sleep. Don't mess around with your sleep. Lots of research done on the sleep clinics around the world. UCLA, I know. So the body is hardwired to the celestial realm. And so our cortisol rises when the sun comes up. So getting up early, getting that red light into your body, getting that sun as the cortisol rises in your body. And then as the sun goes down, using candles, salt lamps, yellow light, right? Getting some blue blockers, turning off your Wi-Fi, getting off the screens as much as possible. And I know we all live in the modern world, but start wrapping your head around how you can harmonize your hormones to the celestial bodies that are here. The moon comes up, our melatonin should be coming on, right? Sun comes up, cortisol rises, gets us out of bed. And so you don't want that flip-flopped. You got too much cortisol in the blood from caffeine later on in the day, blue light keeping you up. These things all affect the hormones. And so we get all out of whack. So really get down with your circadian rhythms. Really understand that. 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. is a marker that is optimal for the human body, right? And so until we evolve past, that, and I don't really see that happening. That's a natural mechanism.